When you break a nail, after the initial despair, you send up a prayer to the nail gods. Hello everyone, I had a traumatic event this morning and I broke my nail. Not just any break, it is a low break onto the nail bed, one of the worst kind. So I am going to share with you my quick fix on a broken nail so that I can keep it from ripping any farther until it grows out. This emergency, I'm going to need glue. So I have Kiss Mega Hold and also a needle of any kind. All I do is take the needle and poke it into the top of the glue. Now here comes the touch and go of this procedure. I take my glue dipped pin and ever so gently slide it under that crack. At this point of the procedure, I need a very steady hand. I do not want to rip this nail any farther than it is. Once I am confident that I got enough glue underneath the nail, I just push it down with my finger to secure it, and then taking my glue dipped pen, I just smooth the glue over the crack. And one last step is buffing the surface of the nail very, very gently, just to make sure that it is a smooth surface so that you cannot even tell that there was a crack there. And after a successful procedure, it is into the recovery room for a base coat. And I am ready to apply my polish. And after 2 coats of my polish, a glossy top coat. And after a successful procedure, I send a quick little thank you up to the heavens, and I will see you guys in the next one.